Sales teams are always working hard to close deals, but what if I told you that not using CRM automation could be costing your team valuable opportunities? In this video, we'll uncover the 3 biggest mistakes sales teams make without CRM automation and how Go AI CRM can help you avoid them, boost efficiency, and close more deals. The first mistake? Wasting hours manually managing leads. Without automation, sales teams spend far too much time sorting, organizing, and following up on leads manually, leading to missed opportunities and inefficient use of time. Go AI CRM changes the game. Our system automates the entire lead management process, organizing, qualifying, and even assigning leads to the right reps so your team can focus on what they do best, selling. With our AI-powered lead scoring, your sales team is always working with the hottest prospects, maximizing efficiency. Next, failing to follow up consistently is another costly mistake. In fact, 80% of sales require at least 5 follow-ups, yet many reps stop after just 1. Go AI CRM ensures that every lead gets the attention it deserves. With automated follow-ups through email, SMS, MMS, and even AI-powered calls, you can create a personalized, consistent engagement strategy that keeps prospects moving through your pipeline. Finally, not personalizing communication is a mistake that can cost you sales. Without a CRM, reps often resort to generic emails and messages, which feel impersonal to potential clients. Go AI CRM takes personalization to the next level. Our system uses customer data to tailor each interaction, whether it's an email, SMS, MMS, or call. By understanding your customers' behaviors, you can create highly relevant and engaging messages that resonate with your audience. Don't let these mistakes hold your sales team back. With Go AI CRM, you can automate your lead management, ensure timely follow-ups, and personalize every interaction, setting your team up for success and boosting your sales. Ready to transform your sales process? Try Go AI CRM today and start closing more deals.